Hey crypto fam! Ever mined a sweet stack of Bitcoin or hodled a healthy bag of Ethereum only to be stumped when it comes to actually getting your hands on that sweet, sweet cash? Fear not, because today we're diving deep into the world of Kraken withdrawal fees. That's right, fees. The bane of any investor's existence. But before we dissect the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. Kraken is a massive crypto exchange, offering a vast selection of coins and tokens to trade. It's a great platform, but like any service, it comes with its own set of costs. Now, the good news is, Kraken doesn't charge for everything. Moving funds between your spot and futures wallet? Totally free. Account maintenance? Zip. Just chilling and letting your crypto accumulate dust bunnies? You're good to go. But when it comes to taking your hard-earned crypto out of Kraken's clutches, that's where things get interesting. Here's the breakdown. Kraken operates with a two-tiered system for withdrawal fees. First, there are fiat withdrawals, which is basically converting your crypto back to your local currency, like USD or Euro. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. For instance, a wire transfer might set you back a flat $35, while ACH transfers could be as low as 10 cents. Keep in mind, these are just examples, and the actual fees can differ based on your location and chosen currency. Now, let's talk crypto withdrawals. This is where things get a little more technical. Kraken charges a fixed fee for each specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. These fees are designed to cover the blockchain transaction costs associated with moving your coins or tokens out of the exchange. We're talking minuscule amounts here, typically ranging from a few cents to a couple of dollars, converted to USD. But the exact fee depends entirely on the chosen cryptocurrency. Bitcoin withdrawals, for example, will cost a lot less compared to a lesser-known altcoin with lower trade volume. Here's the kicker. Kraken also has withdrawal minimums in place. This means you can't just yank out a single penny's worth of Bitcoin. You'll need to meet a specific threshold before the withdrawal goes through. These minimums again vary by cryptocurrency, and they're typically set at a level that covers the network fees themselves. Now, understanding these fees is crucial, but it's not the whole story. Kraken has a tiered account system, with different verification levels offering increased withdrawal limits. A starter tier account might have a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000, while a pro account could allow you to move up to $1 million per day. The key takeaway? The more you verify your identity and establish yourself on the platform, the higher your withdrawal limits become. This makes sense from a security standpoint, and it caters to both casual investors and high-volume traders. Alright, so we've unpacked the different fees, minimums, and account tiers. But before you rush off to withdraw your crypto fortune, remember, there's one more factor at play: volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its wild swings. By the time your withdrawal processes, the price of your crypto could be significantly higher or lower than when you initiated the transaction. So, factor that potential price movement into your decision-making process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hodling and smart withdrawals.